Hello folks, today I'm going to show you how to replace the memory cards on a Dell Inspiron 1525. It's fairly simple. I looked on Google, I did a search on YouTube as well and found out exactly the specifications I needed. I went out to Best Buy and bought these 2 gigabytes. It's 1 gigabyte. It's 2 in here. There's 1 gigabyte each of RAM. It was on sale, clearance for $32.99. So, as you can see, the first thing you want to do here is remove the battery, which is right here. Unlock it. Pull it out. It's fairly easy. Place that aside. Okay, and then you'll see this cover here, which is right to the left of the battery, has a few screws in it. I've already loosened some of them, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish it off. You can use one of these small screwdrivers here. I wouldn't try to use anything bigger because you might strip the screw or something, but these spin in the back, so it makes it easier to work with. I have Vista Home Premium Edition, and this computer came with 1 gig, which was 2 512s, and it does pretty good performance, but I've installed a few programs on here that require a little bit of extra memory, so I want to see if it helps any. Carefully remove this cover. I'm going to leave the screws right in there and just place it gently somewhere so that they don't fall out and get lost. Okay, we'll focus in here a little bit. Alright. This is the area you're going to be working with. You'll see these 2 flaps here. There's some type of plastic. You just kind of lift those up and they move right out of the way. The memory cards are right here. There's one, and there's the memory card slots. There's one here and one right under it. I'm going to lift this up a little bit and gently slide these little metal pins here over a little bit. See that? Just pop, just kind of move it over, pop by itself, and we're gonna go ahead and just slide that on out. Try not to grab these, especially the new cards on the circuit board. Try to grab them gently on the sides here, as you can see. Okay, I'm not really concerned about these because I'm removing them. I won't be using them again. The other one is under that one. It's a little bit more below. And also you'll have 2 levers here. You can kind of just pull to the side gently. And the card should pop right up. There you go. Out. When I looked online, it says that you could put up to 4 gigabytes of RAM, but your computer is only going to use 3 to 3.5. It worked just fine with 1 gig. It's, you know, with all the programs I've added, I feel like I may just need to add a little more. So I think 2 gigs should be just fine, and you save a little bit of money. Again, try to handle these by the plastic sides there because of the circuit area. You don't want to touch that part. Alright, I'm gonna go with the bottom one first. Gently press that down there. Find an area on the card that doesn't have any circuitry on it. I'll just use right here where the paper is at. Push it down and it should snap right in. Let me bring this a little closer so you can see the next one. Okay. Okay. Slide that right in gently and find an area that doesn't have any circuitry. And I don't know if you heard that, but it snaps right in. Okay, and that's how you upgrade or replace the memory cards on your Dell Inspiron 1525.